is coming to you on another AMC video. Before I forget, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only. What I am coming to you, going over everything, definitely subscribe and do a thumbs up if you like the video and you like this content. We had on the AMC today, Ortex had came out and a Type 2 short squeeze. That is awesome. Well, that means we are in a great sign. Something's happening in the background. We had that happen early in the morning. Sorry, my kid is just like a loud speaker. I can't even go over. The other thing I have to bring up into, there's a lot of data coming out, and I had tweeted this out. Definitely follow me on Twitter if you are not. What I have usually bringing this in the back bulk orders, and usually this does come into the next day. If we have a inflow more than the outflow today, it usually shows up tomorrow. That's what I always been seeing. So what we see right now, we had a very strong inflow coming in today. So my prediction, tomorrow we'll probably see a pretty decent or another decent day as well. So just that said, let's go over to, we already went to the Ortex, the shorting. The short, we are at 20% still today. 20%. This is very high, and I always keep on saying, keep in mind that the VW had only 10% on the shorts, and this is at 20%. That's double onto AMC. That is a crazy situation. Now, the short interest onto it went up to 1%. We can see I highlighted on my Twitter account and tweeted that went up to 1%. It did come back down, and this is the live of what we closed at, and we are at a 0.8%. I would love to see that going up even higher, 1.5, going even higher and higher. We had a lot of shorts basically taken out. So I am still thinking what we're going to see on the Ortex. Oh my gosh, I can't. On the Ortex, we're going to see tomorrow a higher shorted amount. That is my theory on that part. Unusual Whales came out onto AMC today and had said there was a lot of volume going into the close on a call at the 31. So this tells us right now that there is a lot of big money going into the $31. So we should be having a very solid, strong strength going up into the $31. Great sign. Let's get into the 5-minute chart. The 5-minute chart we had, and I tweeted out basically talking about we had a solid strong area at the $27.95, and we could go down to the $27 and I think it was 50 cents what I seen on my forecast. We had made a solid uptrend right here at the $29.85. So that would be our next battle tomorrow. If we can get above that $29.85, that means we are still going into the upper trend and still going into a good motion. Let's go into the daily candle as well. Into the daily candle, we are still in the upper trend. We see that green arrow going up. We are coming back into pushing it up, and money flow is coming back up. The money flow has now arrived, and it's starting to push into the AMC upwards. That is a very good solid system showing, and we are still in the buy zone. we have still in a buy zone area. I'm amazed by that. So that said, tomorrow, keep in mind, and I know I got a lot of hassle for this, and a lot of people are sort of saying I was a FUD on saying about how AMC could see a bad day. It would be today or tomorrow because of this new coronavirus situation. Now, President Joe Biden, is coming out and he's going to be talking to the media on about this new virus. And he's going to announce what's his plans on this new virus and what's the techniques. I think he's definitely not going to close the businesses, close the economy as what happened in the past, but it's going to be that uncertain doubt in the mind of the investors, so we could see another red day. Now, is AMC going to follow suit like it didn't do today? It didn't follow suit at all. It was like on its own, and that made it even stronger, AMC. So I don't know what's going to happen on that tomorrow, but if we do see a red day in the morning, we could see a very biased, they don't know what's going to happen in the market. Would we dip down? What I'm predicting, if we do dip down, let's go in the 5-minute chart. We had a strong bolt right in here, strong. It was at $28. What I could see us getting back into, oh, right here, we made another strong indication right here at $29.40. So that said, we would have to probably, we'll have a solid $29.40 or even a little bit, probably $29 just to be on the safe side. Tomorrow we are sort of seeing a little path right in here, and it's saying it could come back down at $28, and then the high is at $30. Well, that is my prediction. I guess I will tweet, and definitely follow me if you want to see the live tweets that I have going on and what is the predictions that I'm seeing. What I think is going to happen after President Joe Biden has talked to the public about this whole new virus, I think the market's going to relax. Then we have Wednesday. Wednesday is going to be another day that we have a report onto the economy as well. That could be another shaky day as well, we could see. But I don't know if that's going to shake enough feathers, because right now everyone's looking at this whole virus situation. And so this is the way I'm thinking we're going to see AMC breathe a little bit and the whole market breathe after this whole after the president is done talking. Well, if you like it, definitely subscribe and thumbs up. And that said, blah blah blah, and peace out.